स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ से क्लासेस में। और आज हम लोग सॉल्व करें ISS पेपर 2 का 2024 का सॉल्यूशंस। और बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू एवरीवन बिकॉज योर एग्जाम्स आर नियर बाय। आई होप ऑब्वियसली डूइंग योर रिविजन्स. इफ यू नीड एनी गाइड, एनी clearance of any topic, you can always WhatsApp on the provided number. So let's do it quickly. 31, if T1 and T2 are equally efficient estimators, then with efficiency, then what will be the correlation coefficient we have to find out. Okay, so efficiency, we know that for the formula we can write it as variance of by variance of t. Okay, so if the efficiency is 0.8, then variance of t1 will be what? Variance of t2. So that is equals to variance of g by 0.8. So here what I can define it as being variance of g by 0.8. Okay, so we will consider a combined estimator for this now. So that is t is equals to t1 plus t2 by 2. Okay, so now variance of t1 plus t2 by 2 is equals to 1 by 4 variance of t1 plus variance of t2 plus 2 covariance t1 t2. Okay, so since both have the same variance, so we can write it as variance of t is equals to 1 by 4 2 plus 2 covariance t1 t2. So that is by 2 1. Okay, so here what I write, rho is what? Correlation of t1 comma t2. Correct. So here the efficiency of the average estimator will be then. So then it will count as t will be variance of, which we have already found out, by t. So that's this one. Now variance of g by what it will be? Variance of g by 0.8 multiplied by half 1 plus rho. Correct. So from this what we get? 0.8 by half 1 plus rho, or this comes to 1.6 by 1 plus rho. Okay, so bound efficiency 1.6 by 1 plus rho is less than equals to 1. Correct. So that is less than equals to 1, or we can write that 1 plus rho is less than equals to 1.6, or rho is how much? 0.6. So my correct option will be option D, because obviously this is less than 1.